Hey everybody, and thanks for coming back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing true classic tees. They just arrived. These are the colors that I got. I have a black. I got like a gray, kind of like a charcoal looking kind of color. I got a white. And I got a hat. So yeah, let's try this on. Okay, so we're going to unwrap the black one first and we're going to try it on. Here is the black one. That's what it looks like. It looks soft. It almost looks like a blanket. So this is what the black shirt looks like. It's really nice. It fits really tight. Like, it's very fitted. So yeah, I really like this. As you know, I love basic colors. I wear black all the freaking time, as you saw as my previous shirt. So let's try it on the other ones. Here is the white one. Super cool logo. All right, let's try this one on. 1, 2, 3. Boom! This is really nice. I love the white, I think. I really like the white. It's really nice. Super nice. This shirt is really nice. This is actually the best shirt I've ever worn. Actually, I think it's the best white shirt I've ever worn because I only wear black. But yeah, look at this. Check it out. It's really freaking nice. Totally recommend it. Now let's try the charcoal one, the gray one. This is the gray, almost charcoal looking color. Obviously they all fit the same, it's just different color. It's really freaking nice. You're gonna see me wearing these in more vlogs. Now let's try on this hat. I'm not a hat person. Everybody knows I am not a hat person. But what do you think? What do you think? The cool thing is that you can adjust it from here. So if you have a little head like me, this is the best way to go. This is the best way to go. Right there. I think that's pretty much my size. Anything in small because I'm very petite. Wow, check this out. Very cool hat. Awesome. You'll see me wearing this more often too. You'll see, you'll see.
Wait, I haven't touched it. Ooh.
How does it feel?
Really soft.
Right? It's really soft. Almost you just want to like wrap it and use it as a pillow.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna wear it.
Yeah, you'll wear this for sure because you love soft stuff. The great thing about these shirts is that they don't feel cheapy. They are very high quality, soft, and slim fitted, as you saw. And the size that I got is actually a small, as you can tell. I hope I can say here. Yep, you might not be able to see it as much, but it does say right here, small. So yeah, I got a small. I'm very short. I'm like 5'5". I'm like 150 pounds. And it fits really nice. I really love it. Here's the best part about True Classic Tees. If you go to the website, and I will provide it in the description box and comment section below. The best part is that the proceeds for the shirts go to their tiny house project, which helps lead the efforts in building tiny homes for homeless US military vets. I really love businesses that use portions of their money to help others. You should totally check out the website and click on Our Story to read more about it and see how they got started and why they decided to make shirts. Overall, I really love these shirts, and on the website, they have different options such as polos, v-necks, long sleeves, sweatshirts. So again, I totally recommend True Classic Tees. If you ever purchased True Classic Tees before, let me know in the comments down below what your experience was. And if you plan to buy some, let me know in the comments down below. That way I can see what you plan on getting. All right guys, so that's the end of this video. I have to end this video with the hat, right? Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys very soon.